Hi, in this video I will show you the basic interface of Photoshop and how to do start Photoshop. In this video I will show you that how to work on Photoshop. So let's start Photoshop. This is the basic layout of Photoshop and the interface. So this is the main toolbar of the Photoshop. So here first of all these are 6 basic selection tool in the Photoshop. So we will learn here today. This is the move tool and this is rectangle tool or elliptical tool. So there are more 3 in this. So let's start. Take a new file. So what is this? How to take a new file? Go file and new, or you can command N or control N in this to take a new file. So this is the new file, something like here. So you can something name here. I will take a sample. So this is default Photoshop size, or other use paper if you want something on paper. This is also if you want to take for a photo, so you can do it, or web mobile devices and something other. So we will take default Photoshop size here, and this is resolution. So if you want to use this design or the layout which you want to work on this on the web or web media, or if you want to take print size, you will take the resolution 300, or if you want make a layout for web, you can use 72 resolution, which is the best on the web media or other something like that. So this is also color mode. If you want to take print or something other, you can choose CMYK color, or if to take this is on media web media, you can use RGB color. So this is also background which type of background you want, or white, transparent, or something like that. So press OK, and this is our new file. Here we will work on Photoshop. So we will take an rectangle tool. This is rectangle marquee tool. This is the curves or the edges are have feather. So what is feather? Feather mean that your edges will be smooth, or if you will be 0 here, or I will control alt Z and press again. Oh, a number between requires to, sorry, he wants, we will take some feather like here or like this. So these edges will be low. So this is a rectangle. It's mean that now your active area where you can work, this is, so like this I can work. So I will just do work here, not on the outside, just work on this side. So you can see it. This is the active area of the layout in the Photoshop now. So I will go back, control alt Z, and this will be removed. So this is the rectangle or elliptical tool. This is also like this. This is elliptical tool. It will also work like that, or it's mean this is simple. If you want to add something, you can do it here. So you will add some other area here like this. It's mean delete or subtract the area. You can subtract something like this. Now you will be deleting something. So I will go back, command alt Z or control alt Z. So this is intersect. Intersect mean that you have an rectangle or whatever, so you want to intersect, that mean that will intersect on that point where you will do it like this. I want do it, so that will be intercepted. Or this is the move tool. What is move tool? Move tool mean you can move something like here. So this is the background color which will behind this. So command alt Z. If I will want the background color in this, so command delete, or I will take rectangle. I will show you. If you want to color in this rectangle, you will press alt backspace, alt backspace, or command alt background color, foreground color, command delete in Mac, or control backspace in laptop or other computer. So I'm using Mac, so here command delete for me, or control backspace for you if you use Mac or other laptop. So you can also move it like this, that will also background. So command alt Z. So I will take a photo to understand you the elliptical marquee tool, or take a file. I will take a file here, and I want to use no, I will take an elliptical tool. So this is an elliptical tool, but that thing which is necessary here is that you will work on layers, not in the background. I will take a new layer. This is the new panel of layer or group or whatever. So take a new layer from here. You can take new layer on that side, or delete if you want to do this. So I will work on new layer. If you want to do any work on new layer, otherwise your work will be disturbed. So this is the new layer. I will take some feather here, like 100. Okay, so I will do select inverse. It means you will understand that now I will want to do this foreground color on this. So command delete. This is background. Oh, this command alt Z, alt delete. That is that background foreground color here, and your image will be like this. I will do this something like, take a photo, just take a new layer and take an elliptical or marquee tool here, and then what I will do, just take a background color, select inverse in that file, or take a new background color. So we will meet on next video. Take care.